I want to show you how to analyze sources in NotebookLM, in this case, PDFs of Edgar Allan Poe stories, and how to create infographics from them. On the left, in the source menu, you can see the two PDFs. In the chat right in the middle, we enter our prompt. We will use this later to create our mind map, and then also the infographics. As you can see, we have 4 main points here. Now we save our chat result by clicking Save to Note. It immediately appears on the right side in the Studio panel. Click on the 3 dots and set it as a source. If we want to create our mind map now, we only activate our newly created node as the active source. Then just click on Mind Map. If we hadn't done this previous step, it would have used all the available sources for the mind map. Open up the mind map and you can expand it just by clicking on these little arrows. Using the download icon, we can go ahead and save our mind map. Next, we'll create an infographic directly inside NotebookLM. And again, we're using our chat result as the source. Just set your desired options here. Feel free to experiment a bit and see what comes out. Generating an infographic takes a little longer than a mind map. Once it's finished, just click on it. As you can see, it exactly evaluated what we provided as the source. You can also clearly see how the branches of the mind map are represented visually here. And there are our 4 main points from the chat result. And if you want, you can easily download this graphic as well. Now, let's switch over to Gemini, activate the Pro mode, and click on Create Image. I actually created the prompt right here in Gemini first, using the information from our new source. This infographic looks really good too. You can clearly see the 4 main points from our source text. Here is another example for you. The first one was more of an isometric style. So now let's try a 2D graphic. And that works beautifully as well, delivering exactly the expected result. Next up, let's try a scribble art image. As you can see, generating completely different styles is no problem at all. Finally, let's head over to ChatGPT and try their image generation. Let's see what we get here. This worked out really well too. The level of detail here is especially impressive. In the end, it really comes down to your personal taste and what style you prefer. The workflow works perfectly across NotebookLM, Gemini, and ChatGPT, so you have to decide which one to use.